Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm come back onto this channel looking hella, I'm not gonna say crazy, I'm just looking natural because this is me, you know. So guys, the last time you saw me, you saw when I did these hair because I was trying to do like a starter lock, and ever since I've did it guys, it's been over a month. I've literally just been wearing it like this, like obviously not with my hair sticking out, but I've literally just gone about my business with it exactly like it. And I'm gonna come and put my hair on. I'm gonna put my wig on, you know, my favorite wig, which is this one. So I do need to brush it out or maybe straighten it out or something. So I'm gonna stick that. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So if anybody want to sponsor me some wigs, that would be lovely. Okay. Just give me a minute to fix the back. Give me a minute, let me fix the back. So this wig comes with 3 combs, guys. It comes with 3 combs, I think. I should have checked properly. Alright, I've worn this wig already. As I said, it's my favorite wig, so I wear it all the time whenever I'm wearing any wigs. So it's already, I've done a center part on it, I've done side part on it before, I've done pull back before. So I'm gonna just bring it up here. So I need to be very careful because all of the baby hairs are created is going underneath, and I don't want that to happen. Some from my head. Okay, so the part is there already, so I think it looks center. Normally guys, when I do it and it looks center, by the time it's done dry and stick on, it's gone wonky, and I'm thinking, what did I do wrong? Let's just clip this to the back a little bit. Clip this other side over here, so not too tight because I need some leeway to bring the sides down. Okay, so ideally guys, normally I'd have done one side. I'll do the top first and then I'll do one side at a time. I don't know why I didn't think of doing that before I stick anything. Like how it is, a little bit of a wave, and then the bottom now I'm just going to get my hair straightened and straighten it, so I don't want it to be flat at the end. It's just something that I do quick and easy when I'm running behind time. Okay guys, so I'm just going to brush it back a little bit and I'm going to leave it as it is. As I said, I was saying before that I bought this styling wax stick, glue stick. I don't know if you can see it, but it's from Care, and I'm going to use that just to kind of slick down that much flyaways on top here for it to stick down. But I'm being a little bit extra, and I'm going to do it again just to make sure, because as I said guys, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna keep this on for probably about 3 days before I take it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation just to clean up this parting a little bit, and the foundation that I'm gonna be using is a Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade Amber. You can use the shade closer to your skin or just a little bit lighter, you know, because you know the color of your scalp and there's something there. I'm just going to use a tiny little brush just like this, and I'm going to try and be as precise as possible because I do not want to mess up the actual hair. I've done this before already, so you can still see the line, but it's you know, by using your hairspray and washing and stuff like that, you get rid of all of this stuff there. Just a little bit, see, I can't even see properly, see, just a tiny little bit of use. Just a tiny little bit I'm going to use. I'm going to dip that in there and make sure I take the excess off, because as I said, you just want to lighten a little bit. So I'm just going to dab. I might need to do this off camera still, because you know my hands are a little bit shaky when it comes to anything like this. little bit shaky. Can't do anything like this because I need everything to be precise. And I'm just gonna use my finger afterward just to blot it out. Okay guys, so this is the wig all done up. I didn't get to, you know, straighten as much as what I wanted to at the end. Let me see if I can sit up a little bit so you can see it. Because time is of the essence. But that's the wig, guys. So cute. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.